down the galley, pickled banana pepper dip. So today for me it's all been about creating some new appetizers for some friends that are coming out, and I haven't been to the store except for the farmer's market in a couple weeks. So this has all been about what you have on hand that you can make some appetizers with. And this is one of them. This has actually kind of been in my head because you know I love banana peppers. And I have some of my fresh picked banana peppers on. I'll just make the best dip. So I've got 1 clove of garlic. I'm going to grate that into my bowl. And you know what I think about the Tillamook cream cheese? You know, I always have a block in my freezer for just such emergencies. But you know, I love the Tillamook because there's nothing bad in it. There's no carrageenan, there's no gums, there's just salt and cream. So I'm going to do an 8-ounce block of cream cheese, and then I want a 1/2 cup of sour cream or Greek yogurt. And I'm out of yogurt, I'm out of sour cream, but I have some cottage cheese, so I'm going to give that a whirl in here. I'm going to chop my banana peppers pretty finely, and I'm pretty sure 1/3 cup is going to do it. Since I'm making this up, it might be a little changed on the written recipe. So I think I've kind of made a decision. I'm going to put that 1/3 cup in here and just give it a couple whirls and really break it up. All right, so to that, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of your homemade good seasoning Italian dressing mix. And I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of my pickled banana pepper brine. Now, I know you're not going to have this. Use your favorite hot sauce. This is a hot sauce that I made with banana peppers and pineapple. It's so delicious. So I'm going to obviously use that. Use your favorite hot sauce. 1 to 2 teaspoons. And a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to do a 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt and some of my cracked pepper. I'm doing the mix, and then mix that all up. I'm going to taste and see if we need to add anything. I think it needs a little more brine and maybe a pinch of salt. And it, you know, the flavors are going to develop as it sits. So this is going to sit for a couple hours in the fridge before I need it, so the flavors will develop. So I made some little crackers to go with it. Let's see what we think. That is so delicious. Now, of course, you know, I'm going to love it because I love my banana peppers, but that is so delicious. But I also think you could substitute either your bread and butter or your spicy dill pickles for the banana pepper and the banana pepper brine. And this would be delicious too. So I'm going to decorate this with a couple of these banana peppers, which is always nice. And it lets people know what's in your dip. Isn't it beautiful? I think you're going to love it. I know I do. So thanks for watching and always being here for me, thinking up crazy ideas. This is just another one. See y'all later. Bye.